Hello guys. In today's video, you're gonna find out how to create a thumbnail on YouTube for free. So first one, you just want to search up Photopea, and once you're on that, click on the first link, and it should lead you directly to the screen. Now click on New Project, and name the project whatever you want to name it. So thumbnail. Once you're done with that, you can just click Create. You don't have to change anything over here if you're creating a thumbnail, as it's already at the default. So once you click on Create, you should be over here, and you're just gonna want to search a background. So Pokemon is what I'm gonna search, Pokemon photos, because I'm having a Pokemon thumbnail. So once you find what you want, you can just save it normally. I already have one, so I'll just replace it, and then drag and drop. Now once you're done with that, you can extend this image so it fits the wallpaper, and once you're done with that, you can add some more photos, which we'll do later. But for now, let's focus on the background. You can change a few things here. You can go to image adjustments, and you can change the hue, saturation, whatever you would want to change. Like the hue, like that. I think 10 is good. If I can get it to 10, I'll just type. And the lightness, I think it's fine at 0. Just click OK. Once that's done, you can click on, if you want to blur the background, which of course I think I do. So filter, blur, and I think it's lens blur. It should be, yes, it is lens blur, and you can change the threshold. I think, yeah, it should be that, or the radius, and just click OK. Anyway, that's the blur. Okay, so once you're done and you have your background image blurred, if you want it to be, you can go and search up another photo if you want one. So I'll just go and search up product legends, since that's what I usually make videos about nowadays. So I'll just find one. Hopefully I find a good one. I guess this one is fine, but it has that, so I'll just use this one. These are all codes. I think I'll just use a Pokemon background, Pokemon image then, or a Mewtwo. Yeah, so PNG makes it transparent, and that's what you want it to be. So make sure it's a .png whenever you're saving it. So let me save it. Mewtwo PNG. And you can click File, Open in Place, that Mewtwo. So there is our Mewtwo, if you want. And I'll just keep it over here, and I'll add some more legendary Pokemon. So Kyogre. Alright, so I think that's good enough now. And we have our Pokemon. I'll probably add some more, but for the sake of this video, I'm just keeping it to 2. So once you have all the images that you need, and if you want a background, then sure, feel free to, but in this case, I don't want a background. And so now it's time to add the text. So you can click on this T, you can click anywhere on the screen, and just type the text. So I'll type in Project Legends Part 3, and you can just highlight that, or yeah, whatever you call it, I forgot. Just go over it like that, and once you're doing that, you can change the font of it. So I'll just use a different font like that, and you can choose how big you want it to be. So I'll change it to 100, and I'll center it. Once that's done, you can click on it, and if you click on the check, then you can move it. You should be able to move it. No, yeah, you just want to click over here. Alright, so if you did that, then now you can click on this again, and over here you want to go click on this like that, and once you're doing that, I'll just move this over here so you can see this. You want to click on stroke if you want to have an outline on it, and you can make it white or black or whatever color you want it. Personally, I'll just keep it white since my text is black. And so yeah, Product Legends Part 3. And there you go, now I have an outline as well. So then you can click on OK, or you can choose lots of things here. And yeah, that is it. I'm going to stop recording now, and I'll show you what I got at the end. Alright, so here is what the final image looks like. And once you think you're done with it, then you can just click on File, Export as JPEG, and you can zoom out so you can see it all. And quality you can change if you want it 100%, yeah, sure. And just click Save then. And it should have saved. Once you click on it, it should be right there. Of course, there's still lots more that you can do on this. I just went over the basics. I wasn't really good at it. But yeah, if you liked the video, if you thought I did a good job, then please like and subscribe. Help me get to 2K. We just recently hit 1K. I'm just really happy with that. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.